guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. Does this look familiar? Yoga Club is back. Comment if you've been hanging with me on YouTube long enough to remember when I was unboxing these all the time. So I had my Yoga Club membership for about 2 years, and then I paused it because that meant I literally had 24 leggings, 24 sports bras, and 24 workout tops. And I thought that's too much, like I don't need that many. And then 2020 hit and made me realize, oh my gosh, that is like the perfect amount. In fact, I could have probably used 6 more to make it through the month. I wore my Yoga Club clothes all through 2020. And so now we're on the other side and I'm looking back and I'm like, those guys are a little dingy, and I also don't really want to see them anymore because I saw them too much during 2020. And so I started my membership back. And what Yoga Club is they send a 3-piece outfit for $79.99. They're name brand athleisure wear. So I was spending at least that every time I went to any name brand store to buy. I don't work out. I wear them for lounge clothes and brunching and mom life and running errands. When I discovered Yoga Club, and it is a huge cost savings, you go online and you take their style quiz. It's very thorough and it has great questions. You select all your sizing, you select what activities you're a part of, and then you select what you like. I like colorful, bright, patterns, bring it all on. Whereas when my sister filled it out, she was like, I like neutrals, no patterns, and black and whites. And so you really can curate to what you are enjoying. They are making some changes right now, so keep watching because I think they're trying to get to even more detailed outfit curation. There's more to come on that soon. But here's what I got in my box. It's already ripped open because I ripped it open before this and looked inside of it. I was really excited. And it's really cute. So the leggings are this purple pattern. They're so, so cute. I love, love, love this purple. And they're the Cora Marine Layer full legging in burgundy, size small. So there's these guys. I'm so in love. And then my sports bra is awesome, awesome, awesome. It's more of a full sports bra with this band at the bottom, which means I'll wear it. I'll feel comfortable wearing it out and about, not like running errands, but definitely in my front yard and in my backyard and running around the house without feeling like things are popping out everywhere. It's by Whispers. This is the Angela bra in Tawny Port. Retail value $58. And here's the back of it. Look how cute it is. Whoops, let's do like this. Here's the back of it. And the padding inside, which I love, I've breastfed a couple of babies, I need it, is removable if that is not your cup of tea. So love, love the sports bra. And then the top is the Tadasana Hoodie in burgundy, size small with a retail value of $98. Mind you, the whole box is only $79.99, and I have a killer coupon code. Use this guy here to get a free pair of leggings in your first box. Yeah, really good. And so this guy is so wonderful. It's so soft. It's long, so it covers your booty when you wear it. It does have the full hoodie on it. And on the front, it has a pocket that I am totally digging. So you guys have to see this outfit on here. What do y'all think? I love, love, love it. It is well, well, well beyond the retail value that I paid of $80. The hoodie alone is a $100 hoodie. I don't know. I'm such a big fan. I feel like they do such a good job. I love the clothes. They wash well, they wear well, and they have a value guarantee. They back their best value guarantee that if you can find these sets, these clothes cheaper than what they're offering them, they'll cut you a check for the difference. And you guys, I've looked several times over the past couple of years and I've never come close. You just can't source brand name yoga clothes for that cheap. These come to about $25 each. That's crazy, you guys. You can cancel anytime, you can pause anytime, and they have groups you can join, which is a lot of fun. You can meet other yogis, or in my case, other people who like to brunch in comfy clothes. If you guys have any questions about Yoga Club, comment below. I am here to answer. I have linked all through this video up top past unboxings. You can see a lot of past unboxings linked below. You can see them on my YouTube. You can see it on my Instagram. You can see it on my blog. I have been a Yoga Club fangirl for a really long time, and I am so happy that they are back. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.